To get started, click Launch to initialize your GlamAR eyewear virtual try-on setup. After that, click the Get API Token button to generate your authentication credentials. This will open Pixelbin console, where you'll find the access key and API token. To get the access key and API token, navigate to the settings in Pixelbin console. From here, click Tokens. From here, click on this icon to duplicate the access key to your clipboard. And next, copy the API token similarly. After that, paste your access key in the provided field to connect your store securely. Next, paste your API token in the text field to connect your store securely. Following this, click the Submit button to securely connect your store credentials. Next, click the Choose Plan button to select your subscription tier. You'll see this window. Here, click the Select button to activate the free plan for the app. And finally, click the Approve button to confirm and activate the GlamAR eyewear virtual try-on subscription. Once the configuration is done, click on the Launch App button to access your virtual try-on dashboard. From here, click Configure to customize the virtual try-on interface and align with your website. Next, click on General Settings to access the basic configuration options for your virtual try-on experience. Here, a QR code is generated that can be downloaded or printed for in-store testing. Scanning the QR code opens the app instantly on a smartphone, allowing you to preview the app's live interface and behavior. Share Link provides a shareable link to open the app in a browser. You can share it with team members, testers, or clients for collaboration and feedback. From here, you can select the SDK version. Here, you can select the desired language. Currently supported language is English, and more will be added in the future. Next up, toggle the Live Try-On switch to enable or disable the virtual try-on feature. In this section, you can upload face model images for virtual try-on. Finally, toggle watermark. Displays a Powered by GlamAR watermark at the bottom of the screen. Enabled by default, this watermark can be removed with a premium plan. Next, click the Hero section tab to configure the appearance settings. Banner allows you to customize the banner image displayed in the try-on window. You can replace the default banner with any image that aligns with your brand or personal preference. Next up, the Content section. It allows you to customize the text content displayed on the try-on page. You can update two text elements: header text, the main title displayed at the top. Subtitle, text, the supporting text displayed beneath the header, typically used for a short description or tagline. Then, click the Appearance tab to configure the visual style settings. Next, typography. It allows you to set a custom font for text displayed in the try-on window. Select your preferred font from the drop-down list. Finally, you can switch between built-in themes or create your own custom theme as per your choice. Then, click Advanced Settings to configure additional options for your virtual try-on experience. Then, review the General Features section to configure the virtual try-on UI settings. Toggle Show Global Cart to display the Global Shopping Cart button in the try-on window. Following this, toggle the Show Global Wishlist to display the Wishlist button in the try-on window. Toggle Show Global Share to display the Share option for quick content sharing. Toggle 3D View to enable or disable the 3D Product View button in the try-on window. Toggle the Show Add to Cart option to display the Add to Cart button for quick product purchasing in a try-on window. Toggle Show Wishlist to enable customers to save their favorite eyewear styles. Display the Wishlist option for saving products. Toggle the Show Price option to enable or disable product pricing display in the virtual try-on. Toggle Allow Back to enable or disable the back navigation option in the try-on window. Toggle Allow Close to enable or disable the Close button for exiting the try-on experience. Allow Camera Switch. Lets users switch between the front and rear cameras when accessing the try-on window through a mobile interface. Afterwards, toggle the Allow Full Screen option to enable full screen viewing for users. Finally, toggle the Allow Product Name Switch to display or hide the product name within the try-on window. Next, click the Category Tools tab to configure product categorization settings. The Compare tool lets you view a side-by-side comparison of two products directly within the try-on window. The Settings toggle allows you to enable or disable the settings icon in the try-on window. Once enabled, it provides access to the Position Adjustment tool and Measurement tool. Position Adjust tool lets users adjust the position of the 3D ring model in try-on mode to ensure accurate alignment on the finger, enabled to add it to the try-on window. Measurement tool measures eyewear fit and provides sizing guidance. The measurement tool includes an instruction screen for guiding users through the try-on process. Next up, a custom banner image. It is displayed in the instructions window, useful for branding or providing visual guidance. Content section lets you add display instructions, which will be shown during the try-on experience. Header text, the main heading for the instructions window. Subtext, supporting text to explain steps or provide additional guidance. Afterwards, click on Custom Code tab to access custom UI options. The Custom Code tab is designed for advanced customization of the SDK's user interface and layout. It provides a built-in code editor where you can modify code to tailor the UI experience beyond the predefined options available in other configuration tabs. Once you have configured the app, click on the Publish button to make changes live. Next, click Dashboard to access the main application overview and manage your settings. After that, click on Connect Products to sync your product catalog. From here, you can manage your product inventory. To begin adding new products, click the Add Product button. By Collection option allows you to enable virtual try-on for all products within a selected Shopify collection. If By Collection is selected, choose a collection, and all eligible products within it will be listed. Then, click the Select button to confirm the chosen collection and proceed. Next up, select a category from the category drop-down to assign the product category. By Product option allows you to enable virtual try-on for individual products. Next up, select the item to add in the product inventory. Once the product is chosen, select the category that it belongs to and click Done. Now let's quickly go through the products table columns. Product name displays the name of the product as listed in your Shopify store. The SKU ID column displays the Shopify variant ID associated with the product. This variant ID is internally mapped to the product's SKU. 3D lets you upload and visualize the 3D model associated with the product. The category column specifies the product category, for example, eyewear sunglasses. This helps GlamAR determine which AR model or tracking logic to apply. The Sync Status column displays the current synchronization state between Shopify and GlamAR. Next, Enable Disable allows you to activate or deactivate products for virtual try-on. Next, to manage each product, start by selecting it. The Sync option will synchronize the products with GlamAR product inventory. The Delete option removes product from the list. Note that this will also remove the product from the GlamAR's product inventory. The Select Category button lets you filter products by category. Next, click Upload to upload a 3D model associated with the product. After uploading 3D model, you can click Preview and check the uploaded model. You can also change the category of the product from here by clicking this dropdown. The status of a product can be observed here. The current status is shown as unpublished, which means the product is available in inventory, but it's not live on any products page. To make a product live, toggle the availability here. Enabled products appear in the try-on and can be previewed in AR. Disabled products remain in the inventory, but are hidden from users. Once the product review is done, return to the dashboard. Next, adding GlamAR Virtual Try-On widget to the Shopify product page. Click Insert Now to proceed. Single Try-On button embeds a try-on button directly on the product detail page, PDP. Allows customers to try one product at a time. Keeps the experience contextual and product-specific. Click on Customize to proceed. Confirm that the button is positioned correctly within your product detail page layout. You can preview the placement to ensure it aligns with your store's design and user flow. Multiple Try-On button adds a persistent try-on button visible across your store. This allows shoppers to try multiple products in a single session. Unlike the single PDP button, this creates a continuous experience where customers can switch between products inside the try-on interface. Click on Customize to proceed. Preview your storefront to confirm the persistent button appears as expected. Depending on your configuration and theme, the button may float on the screen as shoppers browse, appear across collection pages and product pages, remain accessible while navigating between products,